This is the linen table runner in sage green, 36 inches. Perfect fit, quiet decor upgrade here. Instantly makes my table look more intentional and more put together once I have everything on it. The cotton linen blend is soft and it has a natural texture. It looks so high end without being stiff or overly formal. I love the sage green color. It is really pretty. It's muted, it's calming, and it's so easy to layer in the farmhouse, the modern, or the seasonal decor if you have that as well. I love the fringe detailing and the detailing down the center as well. Interest without overpowering and competing with all of the other items that I'm going to have on it. This is a simple, versatile runner that works for everyday use and special occasions without needing to be swapped out constantly. It's an easy way to elevate a dining table, a dresser, or in my case, my coffee table without committing to bold patterns or trends. I highly recommend.